Your diet could be harming your liver, but you can do something about it. 1 in 3 of us in the UK are estimated to have a bit of a fatty liver. Non-alcohol-related fatty liver disease is now the biggest cause of chronic liver disease worldwide. It is linked to being overweight or eating an unhealthy diet and can result in serious liver damage. The good news is that your liver's amazing. Even when it's damaged, it can repair itself, if the damage hasn't gone too far. A healthy diet combined with regular exercise and sensible levels of alcohol consumption can reduce your risk of fatty liver disease. Even if you're overweight, losing 5 to 10% of your body weight can control or reverse fatty liver disease. For more information on non-alcohol-related fatty liver disease, visit www.britishlivertrust.org.uk.